Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to get money off of PayPal at Walmart. This video will take you through ways to do so and more, so watch until the end. To start, log in to the PayPal app on your mobile device or the website by visiting paypal.com. The link is in the description. Here's how to proceed. Tap on your available balance to view it. Tap on the transfer option, then click on the Get Cash button. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm that the details provided are correct. Then click Continue. Tap on Generate Withdrawal Code and a barcode will appear on your screen. Next, locate the customer service desk or the money center at Walmart and show the customer service representative the barcode. You'll also need to display your government ID and verify your PayPal account. Once verified, you'll be given the cash. Remember, you'll need to pay $3 per withdrawal. So there you have it. Follow these steps to get money off of PayPal at Walmart. Thanks for watching till next time.